Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Giselle, and today I have a collaboration and a celebration that spring, I think it's here, or it's coming. It's very close, but it's not winter anymore, so let's celebrate. Today's video is spring inspired. It's a get ready with me, so I used some fun colors for you guys. So I'm collaborating with Jemima. Her name here on YouTube is Miss Jemima, and she is awesome. And girl, I'm reading your name in Portuguese. When you have vowels and consonants together like that, I read it in Portuguese, so if I'm supposed to be pronouncing it in a different way, I am sorry, okay? I am so sorry. I apologize right now. But like I was saying, she is super dope. I love her channel. It's super relatable. Black girl magic, you know what I'm saying? Curvy girl magic, plus size girl magic. So make sure to go and check out her video as well. So I'm going to be doing this look for you guys today, which I think is super affordable. I used a ton of drugstore products. So I think with the exception of my brows and my foundation, I think everything was literally drugstore. No lie. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So I'm gonna go in with the Rimmel's palette, and this is their Magnif'eyes Crimson Edition. This is the pink one. It's very pretty. I wanted to do something a little different because I always do something neutral. I'm gonna go in with this pink right here on my crease instead of a brown. I'm just using a fluffy brush to place this right on the crease. In terms of pigment, as you can see, like, it deposits the color really well. As you can see, the color goes on really well on the lids, like it's really nice and bright. So I've been applying it to the crease and then blending out the edges because I want to get the most color payoff that I possibly can with this. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty surprised at how pigmented it is so far. I'm gonna go in with this lighter pink right here, just on the outer edges to diffuse this dark pink a little bit. I'm gonna go on the outer part and I'm gonna add this brown right here. Has a little bit more of like a red undertone to it. Now y'all know I'm not super into cutting my crease, but I'm gonna add some concealer just so that I can get the color that I'm gonna add on top of this a little more vibrant. I'm going to go into the gold one that's right here first. And then with the same, actually with my finger I had to go into this bronzy one right here. I'm going to go into this bronzy one with my finger, and I'm going to do that right on the side. And I'm just patting this in, or patting it on. Let me get my English right. So to add a little bit more to this shadow look, I'm going to go in with Rimmel's Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner shadow, and this is in the shade I don't know what this shade is, y'all. What would that be? Ombre something? I'm not sure, but it's the peachy kind. It's the peachy kind, and this is what the wand looks like, and I'm going to be using it as an eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna dab it on this gold, and then I'm gonna blend it with my finger so it can look more sparkly. Oh yeah, that's very pretty. Oh, that is brought it to life. So I'm just adding a little bit more of that bronzy color, because I feel like I could see on this eye a little bit of that line of demarcation. So let's add some eyeliner and we'll be right back. So for my primer, I'm gonna go in with this Touch and Soul No More Blem primer, smooth and pore covering. I got this in one of my what is this thing called? One of these beauty boxes. I can't remember the name. So I'm gonna use this as my primer. I've used it once before. It was okay. I'm not a huge primer person. I know some people are, but for me, I'm like, On clients, I do though. On clients, I definitely put on a primer because everyone is different. And I want to make sure that, you know, their foundation stays on. But I know my skin, like usually everything stays on really well. Unless if I feel like my skin is not really doing what it's supposed to do. But just for the purpose of this tutorial, we're using a primer. For my foundation today, I'm going to go in with my NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. This foundation is expensive AF. And I told myself I'm not going to be playing with it, doing makeup tutorials on YouTube. But here we are. And I'm going to go in with this Molda brush that I also got in my BoxyCharm. I don't know why I was forgetting the name. But I got 2 pumps on there, and usually this is enough. Like, this foundation is amazing. A little bit goes a long way for me. I'll probably have to use a little more because this brush, I don't know. I'm being lazy and I don't want to go grab my sponge. But I'm going to need to. And I lied. I needed like another pump. But you see the difference it already made? With just that little bit that I had on my brush. Like, this foundation is amazing. I should do like an actual review on it because I'm so in love with that. For my concealers, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. concealers. I think I did a review on these and I never posted it. What is wrong with me? I need to do that. But I'm going to go in with Tan Sand and Deep Olive under my eyes to highlight. I like to start with Deep Olive because it's a little bit deeper than the other one. And then I go in with the lighter one in between to brighten it a little bit more. But these are super full coverage, y'all. So, and they're only $5. Like, you cannot go wrong with it. I've really been liking them. I need to find the footage from that video and edit it, because I know I made a review. See how beautiful that looks? Just keep in mind that they do dry fairly quick, so you gotta move, girl. I'm gonna go back in with Tan Sand, which is the lighter one, and I'm going to apply some towards my inner part here to brighten this area a little more. Flawless. Oh my gosh. Like I forgot to even talk. Just over here having the time of my life putting on concealer. I look like a brand new woman. I look like a brand new woman. Look at that, y'all. Looking real cool. My favorite setting powder at the moment is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I use it in a medium deep. This powder is bomb. If you have not tried it yet, you need to. Don't sleep on it. Seriously. This powder is bomb. And I don't bake under my eyes. I take off the excess from the Beauty Blender and just press it under here. Because otherwise it gets too drying for me. Now to set the other areas of my face, I'm going to go in with MAC's Studio Fix Powder, and this is in C7. And I'm just going to press this on the other areas that I did not highlight. Also from my BoxyCharm, I got this Cover FX palette, and oh my god, this palette is absolutely gorgeous. It has a contour. Where is it? So this right here, oops. This right here is a contour. It has a blush. This is, it's a finishing powder, but it's sparkly, and two highlights up top and a brightener. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this brightener on my inner corner to highlight it a little. Ooh, that's pretty. I've never used their products before. This contour color looks beautiful. I'm taking the excess off. It's very chocolatey. So I gotta be careful so I don't apply too much. And now I'm gonna go in with the blush, which is this beautiful plum right here. It's like a dark plum. It's so gorgeous. And this palette, y'all, got pigment, so I'm shook. I didn't know that they had such good products. I'm gonna go in with both of the highlighters from this palette. Oh, that's pretty. I really love how it melts into the skin, and it's not giving me like that powdery look that some highlighters give, that when they just sit on the skin literally just makes it look like you had glitter. And this is not doing that at all. It's just melting right into the skin. Oh my gosh. I can see myself using this all the time. Not gonna lie, I was gonna cancel my BoxyCharm subscription because I was like, why am I doing this? But now, honey, I'm keeping it. I'm like, okay, they want me again with this palette because it's absolutely gorgeous. So I like the forehead a little bit. So for my lips, I'm going to go in with Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in Hex. I'm just going to outline my lips. And then I'm going to go in with Pixie's Matte Beige Liquid Lipstick. Now I'm going to look for a wig to wear and an outfit, and I'll be right back. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestion for future videos, go ahead and make sure to leave them in the description box below. And don't forget to go check out Miss Jemima's video. Her video is going to be in the description box. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao!